Understanding Update the Status, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the phrase, update the status. This commonly used phrase is crucial in both personal and professional settings, and mastering its use can really boost your communication skills in English. So, let's get started and unlock all the details about this phrase. Update the status is a phrase that means to provide the latest information or changes about a particular situation, project, or task. It's about keeping everyone involved informed about what's currently happening. Think of it like refreshing a web page to get the latest news. This phrase is especially popular in work environments where teams need to stay informed about the progress of various tasks. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in multiple contexts. 1. In the workplace. Often used in meetings, emails, or messaging platforms to ask colleagues for the most recent information on projects or tasks. 2. In personal life. Can be used informally, perhaps when asking a friend about the plans for an upcoming event. 3. In technology, it's also used in the context of software or apps, where updating the status might mean refreshing or syncing to get the latest data. Understanding when to use this phrase will help you communicate more effectively in various settings. To grasp the usage better, let's look at some examples. In a professional email, could you please update the status of the marketing campaign by the end of the day? During a meeting, before we conclude, let's update the status on where we stand with each project. In personal communication, hey, just wanted to check in and update the status on our weekend plans. Seeing the phrase in action helps in understanding how versatile and useful it can be. While using update the status, ensure you 1. Be clear and specific. Vague updates can lead to confusion. Be precise about what status you are referring to. 2. Know your audience. Adjust the level of detail based on who you're talking to. Colleagues might need technical details, while friends might just need the highlights. And that's a wrap on Update the Status. Remember, effective communication is key, and using phrases like this correctly can make a big difference in ensuring everyone's on the same page. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you put your new knowledge into practice. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.